Hi there, Gerlão Magalhães, Explain Brazil. In today's video, we are going to see about one new website. The name is Busuu. It's a website that you can also learn Portuguese. So it's another alternative apart the others we have already discussed in this channel. You can see and don't forget, subscribe, like this video if you want to learn more about this important language in Brazil. So let's go to the video. So here, as I talked before, the website is Busuu, a shared service. New languages, new opportunities, new you. Get access to compare lessons from the expert and connect with a community of native speakers to help you master words faster. You can learn for free many languages, and of course, Brazilian Portuguese is also available here. They give you the reasons why you should learn a language with this website. And there is also an app that you can try on what you prefer. And they have one thing that's very interesting, differently from the other apps, is immersive speaking practice. You learn it for real life. Like you get instant feedback for lasting confidence, speaking practice help. You can see many videos that natives are saying a lot of different words. And you can learn in your way and many the time you decide to learn it of that. They have already award many different prizes and other awards that help you a lot about this. So let's test how it is to learn for free Portuguese. So they explain why they discover the best way to learn Brazilian Portuguese. You can access the website and see more about how you can make the progress, see your score, set your own pace, keep it up, achieve more. It's interesting because they start in A1 until the B2 per intermediate level. You can learning this language with the focus in the general learning or the Portuguese for traveling. So, hola, okay, hello, want to learn hundreds of Portuguese lessons? Let's test it out. Are you log in here? Okay, if you don't have, you can create one using the Google app, Apple, Facebook, or email. So the first thing he asks you, how much Portuguese you know? I am a beginner, or I know some Portuguese. He will find your level. Let's test as a beginner to see. Start with the basics. Welcome to your first Portuguese lesson. Let's do this. Let's start a lesson. So first you can listen.
Olá,
That means hello, hola. There is I add a favorite. If you want to add your favorite for this, you can click on it. And if you think it's a kind of expression that's useful for you.
Olá,
And again, they show you a lot again with a phrase of with two options, and you can click and see it again.
olá,
The pronunciation and the meaning. I am Helena, eu sou Helena. Again, we have two options, one or two, and two is the correct. Eu sou Pedro, I am Pedro. And you can see the progress bar here. Again, eu sou Pedro. And you, você. I will put wrong, the correct is você, but we say vou bem. That's a word that doesn't exist in Portuguese, but we'll see how is the progress here in this way. Vou bem doesn't exist. They say nearly there, and they show you where's the correct. And they repeat to you, say there again where's the correct. They put the lesson complete. You got 10 stars and they scored 8% because it was almost everything perfect. You have the option recap the lesson, so you can redo this, or just click on continue, you can see more things. You earn it today challenges, 10 stars are here. You complete one, but you have all the challenges that you can complete every day. And you have a streak as well. It's similar to Duolingo. You have a streak to motivate you to study every day, and that's awesome. Keep it up. You'll complete beginning Portuguese in 43 days. That's amazing about this website, that you can find what level you can reach and how many days you need for that. So that's a really brilliant idea. Can you make it to 7 days? Learners who reach 7 days streak and usually more likely to complete the first. You can keep shields that automatically streak if you miss a day. That's very similar to Duolingo as well, when they have this kind of code freeze, the streak. You can free trial look it. You can have an option to test for 7 days free of Busuu Premium so you can improve faster. You can click on offer. And if you are interested to test that, you can test and put all the things. But if you're not, you can just keep free trial And you can keep studying that. You can keep studying, start a new next lesson, say your name, learn how to say your name, duration for 2 minutes. All the thing positive about here, you have an estimative of how much time that you have to complete all the things in the lessons we have. So again, we have here, como você se chama? What's your name? Okay.
Como você se chama?
Again. And now we have a...
Como você se chama?
Meu nome é Emílio.
So in this point, we have como você se chama? Meu nome é Emílio. Meu nome é Emílio means my name is Emílio. That's true or false? You can mark true or false sentence as well. In this case, it's true.
Meu nome é Cristina.
Meu nome é Cristina.
Muito prazer.
Are you fin?
É Emílio. Muito prazer.
So again, we have a situation true or false. Emilio gives his name and tell Christine it's nice to meet her. You mark true or false again, and you can see all the progress going. I will finish this lesson and discuss other points with you.
Meu nome é Cristina. Muito prazer.
And again, I complete all the lesson and click continue. There is an ad that you can watch, an advertisement about the Busuu things that you can start 7 days free trial. And you can click continue again if you don't want. Don't worry about that. Not now. And you can see the 2 days challenges. And again, you can also the links that's similar to Duolingo. You have the links with the numbers of stars with all the people that are here learning the language as well. It's nice because you can have a kind of competition with other people that are learning this language. So as you can see here, this is the homepage of the website, and you can see the learning tab. It's here where we are. We can see the levels, okay? Beginner, we have 10 chapters, elementary, intermediate, how many of the general course of Portuguese. And all the lessons that you can find are here with all the things as well. If you are ready to level up, you think that's too easy to you can just test your skills and you can test how good you are to go to the next level. You have the review area. In the review area is nice because you can see the expressions, what expressions you have been learning so far, the one you favorite, and also if they are weak, medium words or strong words. The strong words are the old ones you have revised many times so they get stronger and they will not appear that much for you because they are considering you are good for that. There is the tab about community, and it's pretty nice because you can see people that speaks Portuguese, that learns English, so you can help these people. And you can also make friends in this part as well because they show you some audios. Let's listen for it.
My name is Levi and I'm from Brazil.
You see, there is one guy here saying one word, but there also some sentences. You can give correction from them. And if you do that, you can make friends. That's nice because you will find some Portuguese speakers that you can practice. You can see the community corrections as well, putting some pictures and videos. So choose the things you want to talk or write about. You can also speak or write about this. Would you like to complete the exercise? So this is part of what you see in the Busuu photo of the week. This is what you need to describe. You can say that in Portuguese, clicking speak, or writing. You can write a sentence talking about this. It's nice because the community will see this and will provide a feedback to you how you can improve about this. In my opinion, this is the best part about the Busuu is about this. Because you can see how the community, all the people that are natives can help you in this way. You can help other people as well. And here are the Portuguese courses. We have the Complete Portuguese, that's a general course. But you also can have the Portuguese for travel, learning important words and using phrase for your trip. If you want to just travel to Brazil, you can click on that. And they have a more direction of phrases about traveling trip, yeah? And you can see all the things you're going.
Com licença.
For example, we have this, excuse me,
Desculpe.
com licença means I don't understand. That's false. Okay? That means excuse me. I don't understand. There's no com licença. Eu entendo. I understand. Okay? So you can test all the things here.
Ai, tem pouco, muito.
If you listen someone saying that, I speak a little English, eu falo um pouco de inglês. And you can match the pairs too. It's nice because you can match and see how the pairs of each language means. There are some tips during your process that can be useful, okay? And you can take notes about this. If you want someone to speak more slowly,
Você pode escrever isso? Você pode escrever isso?
Você pode falar mais devagar?
Que accent? Você não pega. Você fala inglês.
if you want to know if anyone that speaks English, você fala inglês. You can put some words in order. You can also put this, complete the sentence.
Você pode escrever isso?
With more videos.
Com licença. Posso comprar um bilhete para a universidade?
Infelizmente.
And here is the listen to the conversation is nice. You can also see the translation or hide the translation to see how is the conversation work. Is all the very good point here. A very good point here about this app is the chance you have to see how a conversation works. It's different from the other apps that it's more concentrated in grammar and more concentrate on the focus is the grammar or the focus is the vocabulary. Here we have the focus in the conversation, and that's really amazing. And you can complete that here. You can drag. You great job, you can continue. And you have the lesson complete. And again, you can recap or continue. No thanks if you want. Can you tell us why? You can skip. And you have it again, the home page. So basically, all the things you have here is the streak. You can see the targets if you want to have a study plan. You also the league, the friendships if you have some notifications. If someone wants you to correct the exercises, you can also ask for that. It's a really amazing website for testing things. So that's it. Basically, Busuu is a very good alternative for learning Portuguese. You can pick up this app or website as you want to choose as your friend about how to learn the language through the process, especially if you want to see something more directly to conversations, if you want to see more things related to conversations about situations that you think can use the language for trips. For example, they have a specific course for that, and the general as well. You can choose what is more interesting to you, or you can try both. Also, if you're interested to know more about Brazilian Portuguese and how things are working here in Brazil, I highly recommend you purchase this ebook that I made with all confidence to you learn more about this incredible country and language. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a comment what kind of videos you are interested to know about Brazilian Portuguese and Brazil. Thank you so much. See you. Bye.